How to connect Spotify with another phone. For this, first and foremost, open up your Spotify application and make sure it is up to date. Once you are in your Spotify, you have to tap on your username icon at the top and head to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of Connect to a device. If you want to connect another device with the same Spotify account, just go ahead and log in with the same account on your device, whether it is PC or mobile, and play the music. If you want to play with a friend, you will have this option of Start a Group Session. Just tap on Start Session. Once you tap on it, your friend can join in and you all can play the music together. You can also tap on a music that you are playing, then tap on the speaker icon at the bottom. In here as well, you will see the option of Start a Group Session. Here also, you can just tap on Start Session or Scan to join. Once you do this, make sure both of your Bluetooth is activated. Now, if you do not have this feature, you have to open up your App Store or Play Store. Search for your Spotify application. Tap on Spotify. And if there is an update, just tap on Update. If there is not, just uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Press and hold the app and head to App Info. Force stop it, then tap on Storage and Cache. Then again tap on Clear Cache. This step is to fix any bug issue that might cause you from hindrance of connecting to a device. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.